Hello, welcome back. Today to show you this how to install a 2-gun universal outlet. So today to show you this is to install. These wires is connect and don't need to connect the screws. And the take the screws you pull, put the wires down, and okay. So just take your screw on top here, and then don't take the wires disconnect. So next, then tighten the screws. Okay, so next you do is tighten the screws. Tight. So next check the wires in here and add to the wire. Okay, the next thing you do is let's take your screws and then it's tight. And let's take your set screw. Okay. And just put your screw in the put the screw electrical box. So next you do it does tight. It is the drill and it's take the set screws. Okay, so next you do and the tight. So next you take your screws inside. It is just like that, and it's just straight. Okay, let's just put your weight. Okay, let's turn on the power back on. There you go. Works. Okay. Turn on this works. There you go. Okay, so there is install a 2-gun universal outlet.